Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of Z seam in PrusaSlicer. So go to the print settings tab at the top, and then we will select layers and perimeters on the left menu, and then look under the advanced section for seam position, the first one. And right here we have few options. So aligned, this one is default. Will tries to stack all the starts in one net line. This is best for mechanical parts. Then we have nearest. This one is usually the best option for sharp or boxy models. It will finds the sharpest corner closest to the tool head and hides the seam inside the corner groove. Then we have rear here in the bottom. This one is perfect if you are printing a display piece and only care about the front looking clean. And the random, the first one, is not quite recommended for smooth models. This will remove the line completely, but it covers your model in tiny random zits. So we can select this align. Now if you want to choose the exact hidden crevice where the seam goes, you can paint it manually. So what we can do is, if we go here into the plater, and what we can do now is look at the left vertical toolbar and click the seam painting. So this icon right here, you can press also the P on your keyboard. Now we can left click and drag. The blue line is where you want the seam to go, like hidden back corner or hair grow. So let's say something like that. Right click and drag. It will paint a red line where you absolutely do not want the seam to appear. So let's say we don't want right here and here, something like that. Now we can tweak this. Also here you have brush size, brush shape, and so on. But when you are done, just hit slice. Now it will take a few moments, and yeah, this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.